Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Valerie Dison and this is my 7th Thrive Market haul today. And yes, before we get into this video, I just want to go ahead and say I do have a sneak peek of my future giveaway. When I hit 2,000 subscribers, I know I will be putting these two items in the giveaway, among other things that I might pick up before the actual giveaway starts. But yeah, if you want to see what I have in store for my sneak peek, I do have that video already up. I will have it on the end card at the end of this video, and I will also have the video right here in that card. You can click over there and check it out. Like I said, it will be on the end card at the end of this video, and I will have it linked in the description box below. But yes, I know I will have these two items. It is the Becca First Light Priming Filter, and it's the lavender color one. And this is a favorite to a lot of YouTubers here. It's a popular item. But yeah, this is one of Kathleen Light's yearly favorites, and I have been trying it out for over a week now, and I have been loving it more and more every day that I have used it. I have past videos of me trying it out, but let's don't go into it too much. But yeah, the second item I will have in the giveaway is the Laura Geller New York Nude Kisses Lip Hunging Lip Gloss in the color Beach Bomb. So yeah, don't forget to check out that video. But this is my 7th Thrive Market haul, and if you want to see all the items I got, and if you're interested in the service, then just keep watching. Alright, Thrive Market has a special thing. They carry more natural products or cruelty-free items. I got into this service because everything on their website is cruelty-free, and they also got your vegan options and your no GMO options, and they got all kinds of gluten-free options, all kinds of things that you can click on for your certain types of products that you are into. They do offer a 25% off of your first box if you click that link down below. It's like my referral link. So it'll give you 25% off of your first purchase, and it also gives me $25 off of my next purchase. But yeah, I love this service. If you want to make it convenient of finding cruelty-free items and trying out different brands you never even heard of, then this is a great service. Especially if you're just trying out to be cruelty-free, like if you're just dabbling into it and you don't know where to start, this is a great way to dabble into it. That's why I did it. That way you can get to know the brands and what's good, what's not for your certain skin or whatever. I don't know if I'm going to be doing it after this year, because you do have to buy a yearly subscription, and I think this service has been great to get to know the different brands that I can actually just buy on my own. But I don't know, they do have a great thing where it's like wholesale prices, or they got major discounts and they got specials going on their own website. So I might just continue it, I don't know yet. Like I said, this is like my 7th box. I believe it's my 7th month. So when I get to my 12th box or the end of the year subscription, I will decide then. But yeah, let's just get on to what's in this box. They package their stuff very, very well. They come in a little note. I'm not going to flip it over, but it says what you got on it, and you know, your address and all that stuff. I got 5 total items out of this haul, and I saved $21.73 out of these items. Out of the 5 items, I already saved $21 than if you was to buy them separately on websites and stuff. It's packaged very well, as you can tell, and it does that all the time. They wrap their liquids very good and all the stuff like that. So the first thing was the Molly Suds Wool Dryer Balls Natural Fabric Softener. Saves time, 1,000 and money loads. Reduce drying time by up to 30%. For all machines included, a better choice for a safer clean. Molly Suds is always safe for people and the planet, and it has the little cruelty-free bunny on it. And this is what the product looks like. I've never tried any of these type of ball bearings. They look like tennis balls. This is it compared to the box. It is like a soft or a tennis ball size, and it's not scented or anything. I guess this is just supposed to help it dry faster, which I need because it would be so cool to have that time where it takes the same amount of time to wash your clothes as it does to dry it. So you like save 30% time in the laundry room if that happened, you know? I mean, soon as you're, it only takes like 20 minutes for me to, you know, put up the clothes that comes out of the dryer, but it takes like an hour for it to wash and sometimes an hour and a half to dry. So if I can get that by 30% faster, I don't have to spend all my Sunday freaking drying and washing clothes, you know? At least it is safe at 30%, right? But I'll eventually let you know how these things work out. By the time you're watching this video, I probably can tell you how they worked out, because normally I record 2 weeks in advance anyway. So if you're interested in seeing how they work, just, you know, ask me. And I also have all of these products that's in this haul in my description box below, so go check that out. The next thing I got was the Hello Mojo Mint Whitening Fluoride Toothpaste. It prevents cavities, whitens teeth. The never tested on animals little logo thing. And I want to smell it. I want to smell this. I'm using a, I don't know. I forgot the brand of the toothpaste right now, but it's not one of my favorites. Okay, so this is what the product actually looks like. It's a beautiful green, minty green color. I love it. I love it. I want some, Oh, it's got a safety seal. Abadabs, it's got a safety seal. Safety seal. You should get copyrights on your song. Safety seal, safety seal. I can't even sing like her, but okay. I can smell the Mojo minty scent, and it's white. You did. As I was trying to say before, the favorite toothpaste I have tried so far from like cruelty-free brands and stuff has been the Tom's whitening toothpaste. I just think that's my favorite so far that I've tried, but a toothpaste is a toothpaste, you know? As long as it, you know, prevents, because sometimes like in between like the gaps of my teeth, sometimes that gets a little yellow. It depends on the toothbrush or the toothpaste. That's when I like to switch out my toothpaste, because some toothpaste might work better than others in certain areas, you know, certain things, whatever. You know what I'm trying to say. Marsha Woods knows what I'm saying. She switches out her shampoos and lotions. She likes to combine her lotions and stuff like that. Me and her got a little thing where we just like switching out products. It might not be because a product's not good, but we just feel like switching out a product. You might get one benefit in one great item and another good benefit from another item. So if you switch it out like all the time, you should be getting all those benefits in whatever you're using, like your toothpaste, your shampoo, your lotions, whatever. Anyways, let's get on. Okay, so on a previous Thrive Market haul, I'll put that card right here of my playlist of my Thrive Market hauls. But I got this brand, my chili. But I got the like scrub face mask. And by the way, someone asked me if it was the banana scent kind. It wasn't a banana scent. It had a slight, I don't know, like a facial lotion scent. I don't know how to say the scent, but it had a very slight scent to that scrub. But anyways, this is the cleanser, the My Chili cleanser. Let's see if I can, yeah, there you go. Ooh, I didn't know the bottle looked like this. I don't pay attention when I buy stuff what it actually looks like. But that's what, ooh, that's so nice. Deep cleanse and renew. Yes, okay. How do you open this top? Oh, okay. Is it a phone or? And I can't squeeze it. Okay, there it goes. How to twist it. Maybe. Oh, okay. Okay, so it's like a jelly, but not that thick. It has the same smell to it, but that's what it looks like. It's a very clear, I don't know, it's like a, not an oily thing, but it's not a jelly feel. I don't know how to explain it, but that's what it looks like on your finger. I'm just gonna wipe it on my pants. It's alright, I'm only gonna get my kids. I don't even know when I did my hair. I guess I wanted to get pretty for you guys. What else do I got to do besides go get my kids and go grocery shopping? I do need to go grocery shopping. I need some Q-tips because I don't know how to not make a mess doing my makeup. I use like 7 Q-tips at a time, you know? Anyway, the next thing I got is the Natural Dentist Healthy Gums. With 20% aloe vera gums bleeding, question mark. Try this. That's disgusting. Peppermint twist. So that is what that mouthwash looks like right there. The mouthwash I have right now, I forgot the brand, but it's in one of my Thrive Market hauls. Like I said, you could look at the card. I'll probably have an end card with it also at the end of this video with my Thrive Market playlist. Yeah. Shit. But anyway, the mouthwash I'm actually using in my bathroom right now. I'm looking this way because my bathroom's this way. It's a mouthwash you're supposed to rinse your mouth before you brush your teeth. So that's kind of being weird, but I mean, whatever, I guess. As long as you got fresh breath afterwards. I can't open this shit. Oh my freaking goodness. Why do they make mouthwash bottles so hard to freaking open without it doing this shit where you can't get the very bottom off without getting their scissors out? Whatever. Well, it's got a very nice mint smell to it. Let's see what. I'm gonna rinse my mouth. It's a green. It's green. You know how when you go to the dentist and they give you that like mouth rinse afterwards that's supposed to do some kind of coating where after they clean your teeth? I don't know what. I'm not a dentist person, but it kind of tastes the same. Like you feel like it's got that coating afterwards. It's kind of nasty, but it might be really good for your teeth. This does some similar. Like it's got that. I don't know how to explain it, but if you know what I'm talking about, it seems like it will be a good mouthwash for after you really clean your teeth really good, but it doesn't taste that great. Kind of like, you know, the dentist after you get your teeth cleaned. You know how when you get your teeth cleaned and they tell you not to drink anything for a little while afterwards? Or maybe I'm just making that up. So when I just took a drink of this, after that, they taste like beer. Ooh. Okay, the last thing I have on this haul is the Molly Suds Laundry Powder Ultra Concentrated. Is that hard to say to y'all? It's hard to say to me. Concentrated. Concentrated. Formulated with earth-delivered ingredients. All of the powder, none of the risk. It says no this, no that, no this and that. 70 loads. And it's a peppermint scent. So, yeah. Alright everybody, I hope you enjoyed my 7th Thrive Market haul, and please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget, I do have a sneak peek of a future giveaway. Don't forget to hit on that end card, the past Thrive Market hauls I've had on the end cards. And yeah, I will see y'all buddies next time. Bye! So they come very good package. I mean, it comes very... It comes, got in my description. The next thing I got was the Hello Mocha. Yeah. Okay. The next. Why did I freaking talk today? Okay. So natural. Wait. Straightens an animal. Freshens brush. The fate. Ha! Why can't I talk? Okay, too many sodas. Where's my soda? In case you're wondering why I'm so freaking hyper, I just had 2 cups of coffee and I'm chasing it down with a Faygo grape. Yeah. That equals crack, by the way. I've never done crack, I promise.
I figured I would try a cruelty-free laundry powder. I mean, why not, you know? Because it was like a special kind of deal on like their laundry stuff. The Molly's brand has like, I think it was 30% off of the Molly's brand when I was purchasing off of Thrive Market, and I didn't really need that many items. I only needed like 3 items I needed to buy, and you get free shipping when you order like $39. So I might as well get these because there's like 30% off, and it made it where, I don't know, you know what I mean? It was 30% off. And I was actually already thinking, like seriously, I've been thinking about trying cruelty-free laundry stuff for a little while now, but whenever I go onto the website to order, I never think about laundry. I'm thinking about beauty, and I'm thinking about skincare, and I'm thinking about like toothpaste and mouthwash, you know, bath and body care basically, and makeup. I'm not thinking about laundry. But, so when I saw this was 30% off, I was like, oh yeah, that's what I've been meaning to get anyway, so I got it. Should I smell it? You're not supposed to smell when you're detergent, are you? Or, I don't normally get powder because it makes a big mess, but this comes in like a refillable bag, so that's pretty cool. See, it says 70 loads, so how many? It says directions, standard and old washers that won't die. Add 1 scoop equals 1 tablespoon as the machine fills with water, and then add the laundry. HE machines add powder directly to your washer tub and add laundry. Heavy, solid, or extra large. We recommend using an extra half scoop plus warm water for best results, and choose the longest wash cycle. Dry using wool dryer balls. I got that. Add your whitener to. Okay. And it has gluten-free, certified vegan, and a cruelty-free button on it. That's what the product looks like. I like that it's a refillable bag. Oh, okay, it comes with a scoop. That's good. It does have a slight minty smell to it, or a peppermint smell to it, so that's good. So, you're supposed to... So I'll probably put like 1.5 scoops of this in each one, because I always try to fit as much laundry as possible in each load. And why not, you know? Why not?